What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about all China Bank credit cards annual fee. I-share ko sa inyo guys kung paano nga ba mag-earn ng points, magkano yung kailangan i-spend para makapag-earn tayo ng credit card points ni China Bank. At saka yung perks and benefits of course. Maliban sa annual fee, dapat alam nyo rin kung ano yung mga purpose ng credit cards ni China Bank para makapili kayo ng maayos. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ito si China Bank Velvet Visa Signature. Yung annual fee niya is 3,500 pesos. So unahin ko muna yung annual fee guys, then in-next ko na lang yung perks and benefits ng credit cards ni China Bank. So ito si China Bank Velvet Visa Signature is 3,500 tulad ng sabi ko. And then si China Bank Destinations World Mastercard is 6,000 pesos. Then si China Bank Destinations World Dollar Mastercard naman is $100 or 5,500 pesos kapag sa 55 pesos na rate. So pwedeng magbago yon yung $100 in peso kapag nakadepende siya sa rates ng palitan natin. Pero as is siya na $100. Yung China Bank Destinations Platinum Mastercard naman is 4,000 pesos. Yung China Bank World Mastercard is 6,000 pesos. Then yung China Bank Cash Rewards is 299 pesos per month or 3,588 per year or yung annual fee. And then next natin guys is si China Bank Platinum Mastercard 3,500. Then yung China Bank Prime Mastercard is 1,500. Then yung China Bank Freedom Mastercard is no annual fee for life siya. So kapag in-apply ninyo itong China Bank Freedom Mastercard, pag na-approve, automatic siya no annual fee for life. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-spend ng magkano para ma-waive yung annual fee for life. So ngayon guys, let's move on to perks and benefits ng China Bank credit cards. Kung paano mag-earn ng points, magkano yung spend, something ganyan. So ito, si China Bank Velvet Visa Signature is, yung perks and benefits niya is, benefits of the China Bank Velvet Visa Signature is, Velvet Welcome Gift is, enjoy free Pandora Classic Bracelet and Charm with a minimum spend of 6,000 within 60 days from card delivery date. So, ibig sabihin, pagkarating sa inyo, inactivate. So, dapat makapag-spend kayo ng 6,000 within 60 days. So, mabilis lang yun guys. Isang swipe lang yung 6,000 na yun. Ma-reach nyo agad. So, may free na kayong Pandora Classic Bracelet. Velvet Special Deals is up to 50% on shopping, including beauty products, wellness, jewelry, home goods, and more. O, diba? Velvet 8 cashback. So, ito yung maganda dito guys. Kasi 800 pesos yung cashback niya if you spend at least 8,000 every 8 of the month. So, ibig sabihin, sa bawat buwan, dapat bantayan ninyo guys yung petsa 8 or yung date sa calendar which is 8. Kasi every 8 of the month cashback. 800 pesos kapag nakapag-spend kayo ng 8,000. O, diba? Malaking bagay din yun. Visa Concert, since ito ay Visa Signature. A 24/7 digital personal assistant and lifestyle guide allowing you to access extraordinary experience each and every day. Velvet Rewards. So, earn 1 rewards point. So, ito na. Paano mag-earn ng credit card points sa Visa Signature ni China Bank. 1 reward point for every 30 pesos qualified spend. Then ngayon, let's move on to China Bank Destinations World Mastercard. So yung benefits of the China Bank Destinations World Mastercard is Air Miles Rewards Program. Get 1 reward points for every 30 pesos you spend. 1 reward point is equal to 1 airline mile which you can redeem from our range of premium airline partners. Travel accident and inconvenience insurance. So get up to 20 million. Pero it comes with terms and conditions. Hindi siya basta ganun lang. Kaya kailangan kayong i-comply. So, kailangan, kasi pabago-bago siya, hindi ko pwedeng i-reveal. So, dapat alamin nyo sa bangko, itawag ninyo sa customer service kung ano yung terms and conditions na yun. Low foreign transaction fee. Enjoy guilt-free shopping abroad or online with a low foreign transaction fee of 1.70%. Welcome gift. Enjoy a free Accor Plus Explorer membership valid for 1 year upon meeting a minimum spend of 5,000 within 60 days from card delivery date. Airport Lounge Access. So, itong si Destinations World Mastercard is my Airport Lounge Access siya. So, airport travel experience with access to over 1,300 airport lounge access and dining discounts, something ganyan. Then yeah, let's move on to China Bank Destinations World Dollar Mastercard. Benefits of China Bank Destinations World Dollar Mastercard is Air Miles Rewards Program. Get 1 rewards point for every $1 spend. 1 rewards point is equal to 1 airline mile. May travel accident insurance din siya up to 360,000 pesos. Low foreign transaction fee, 1.70% lang. And then may welcome gift na free Accor Plus Explorer membership valid for 1 year when you spend 5,000 pesos from the 60 days from the card delivery. Airport lounge access as well. Then yeah, let's move on to China Bank Destinations Platinum Mastercard. So yung perks and benefits naman ni China Bank Destinations Platinum Mastercard is Air Miles Rewards Program. Get 1 rewards point for every 60 pesos you spend. So 60 pesos siya. Kanina 30 pesos lang. Ngayon 60 na siya. 1 rewards point is equal to 1 airline mile. Welcome gift. So enjoy a free Accor Plus Explorer membership valid for 1 year upon meeting 5,000 pesos spend within 60 days from card delivery date. So may membership din siya. Airport lounge access as well. So ito nakalagay guys is lounge access is $32 per person per visit as may be charged by the lounge provider. So hindi siya free. Then yeah, let's move on to China Bank World Mastercard. Fuel rebate. So ito naman maganda sa fuel rebate guys kasi experience a fuel deal in full throttle. Earn a rewarding 5% rebate when you fuel up at any gas station. Premium dining privileges. Enjoy exclusive breaks and discounts at participating establishments. So ito si fuel rebate guys. Maganda ito kapag may kotse kayo. Something ganyan. So may enjoy ninyo yung pa-fuel rebates. The new rewards naman is earn 1 reward point for every 30 pesos qualified spend. Airport lounge membership. So elevate your airport travel experience with access to over 1,300 airport lounges, dining discounts if they ganyan. The next natin guys is the China Bank Cash Rewards Mastercard. Benefits of China Bank Cash Rewards Mastercard is be rewarded as you spend with your China Bank Cash Rewards and enjoy up to 6% cash rebate. Then premium dining privileges, enjoy exclusive breaks and discounts at participating establishments. Then ngayon, let's move on to China Bank Platinum Mastercard. Yung benefits of China Bank Platinum Mastercard is fuel rebate as well. So ito maganda guys. Experience a fuel deal in full throttle, 5% rebate siya. Then premium dining privileges, enjoy exclusive breaks and discounts at participating establishments. Yung rewards naman ng China Bank Platinum Mastercard is 1 reward point for every 30 pesos qualified spend. Then ngayon, let's move on to China Bank Freedom Mastercard. Benefits of China Bank Freedom Mastercard is perpetual waiver of membership fees. Enjoy perpetual waiver of annual membership fees of your China Bank Freedom Mastercard. So, no annual fee for life ito guys. As is siya kapag in-apply nyo, tapos na-approve, no annual fee for life siya. Then, let's move on to China Bank Prime Mastercard. Benefits of China Bank Prime Mastercard is world acceptance, of course. Deals and promos, enjoy exciting discounts. The new rewards is 1 reward points for every 30 pesos qualified spend. So I think that's all for now. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!